Hi! In front of me is VIVO T1 Pro 5, and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. You need to begin by opening Play Store and installing free Magic Fluids app from Mad Scientist developer. When your app is ready, open it, and if you want to mute the music right away, tap on the bottom left corner. Now select those three lines at the bottom right one. Click on Set as Live Wallpaper and tap on Settings on the left. Now you need to tap on I accept in First Things First pop-up and then manage all of those options however you want to. When you finished, click on the back button, choose Apply on the right, and tap on one of those options, in my case, home screen only. So when I click and tap on Continue, then close Magic Fluids app, I can see that my wallpaper was successfully applied. You can always change all of its settings the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!